Welcome to IGT and Tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go.
My name is Mr. Seti. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to check hard disk, how to create partitions, and how to delete partitions. Before we continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click notification bell, and then you will be notified when new video uploaded. So we have two methods to access hard drive. Let me first show you the first method. First method, click here on type to search, then write format, then click on create and format hard disk. Yes, this is the first method to check. The second method to check hard drive, in here, write learn this, open, then write this word, disk management.miss, then write this word, see, write this word. After click OK. You see? Okay. So the next step is how to create partitions. If you don't know partitions, it's like folder. I don't know how you can say. Let me show you partitions. Is here. As you see, zipped software, video data, and zipped software, PC data, all one. And that is partitions. So we need to add another partitions. When we are checking partitions, let me show you what is partitions. Click here. I want to show you partitions. That is partitions. This local disk, PC data, all one, zip file, and zipped file software, video data. That is partitions. There is difference between this folder and these partitions. Remember that in these partitions we can also have folder within it. So let's go on how to create partitions. As you see here, that is the partitions, this one. But when you check here, we have unallocated. That is an unallocated. Click on it, right click, then simple, new simple volume. Yes. Then this wizard will appear, then click next. As you see here, we have these MBs. So this MB, we need like, let me say we need only, let me check first. Let's say we need 2 GB. 2 GB is MB 2000. Let me check first. Yes. Let's use only that. We can also change it. Yes. Assist the following drive later. You can change as you want. Let me put amount of the following and interpret. Then next. Name. Change the name of that new volume or partitions. Let me say IGT take data. Okay, IGT take data. Then next, volume type, simple volume, disk 1 MB, that's 2 GB. Then paste a file system. Yes, then click finish. You see? Then we got IGTDA. You see? Have basic data partition, partitions. See? Partition with 90.53 GB. So that's how to create partitions. If you want to check our partitions, click here. Open there, then let's check if that partition is already. This is it. You see, it's not working. So that is it. So the next thing, we're gonna delete that partitions, how to delete partitions in hard drive. How? Then let's go. You come on that partitions you wanted to delete. Let me say you want to delete this one or this one or this one, but notice that after deleting all data in that partitions, even folders, even photo, video, everything will be deleted. So back up it before, and then right click, delete volume. Yeah, delete this volume will erase all data on it. Back up any data you want to keep before deleting. Do you want to continue? You can say yes or no. So we have to say yes. You see? And that partitions is deleted successful. Then we stay with unallocated 142.89 GB. So even when you want to print on the hard disk for any disk, that is a new method to use it. So let's check there. Our partitions deleted, our partition, as you see, deleted successful. Let me believe you understand these tricks. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, share to your friend, family. Thank you. Bye. Watch next video.